100 miles without stopping for rest. I can stay underwater for 5 minutes on a single breath. When I focus my mind, I always reach my goal. But there's one thing I cannot control. I come too fast, I come too fast. A couple strokes and my erection is a thing of the past. I come too fast, I come too fast. Sometimes it's even game over before I take off my pants. I've read all the articles and I've tried every trick, thinking of sports or of naked Kathy Bates and about Schmidt. If the girl's on top, sometimes I'll last a minute or two. But if we doggy style, oh man, I'm screwed. I come too fast, I come too fast. I carry a spare pair of underwear in case a girl sits on my lap. I come too fast, I come too fast. I swear I'll even shoot my load if a fly lands on my shaft.